Hey fellow investors and fellow stock guardians, it's Thursday, March 25th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from a green stock market for a change. I looked into the stock market indices movements and dug into a new financial technology IPO that is already profitable and discussed the reason why a Chinese tech company dropped today. Hey stock guardians, before we start, let me tell you why we are quite excited today at StockCard HQ. We just released a totally new version of our platform. It's a better and improved version of StockCard based on feedback and ideas you have shared with us in the last few months. Please check it out yourself. Go to stockcard.io and see the cool stuff updated today. My favorite place on StockCard's website now is the new dashboard page. It's your investment research dashboard with your stock updates, feed, the StockCard follows, portfolio follows, and your research health report all on one page. I'm also hosting a series of meet and greet sessions every Friday during the months of April to tell you about the tips and tricks of using the new platform. You can join any Friday, see what we've built for you, and share your ideas and questions. Can't wait to see you there. I'll leave a link in the show notes for you to grab your seats. See you there. Now on to the stock market indices movements. All three indices started the day on a downward trend. However, by midday, the trend reversed and all three ended the day in the green. The weekly jobless claims reports came out and brought a smile to investors' face. The number of new jobless claims dropped to 684,000, below 700,000 for the first time since the start of the pandemic. After a few difficult red days, the market has turned around, reminding us that it always fluctuates. Things are never as bad as they seem. Likewise, they are never as rosy as we tend to assume. Going to the winners and losers page and looking at the stocks ranking high up, GameStop is up by 53%, so are AMC and Cost Group. It seems Redditors were excited about the references to possible short squeeze in the GameStop's recent earnings report document and considered that as a proof that more dramatic stock price pop is possible in the future. Beyond the meme stocks, shares of Upstart Holding were up more than 10%. I learned about Upstart from a YouTuber and Twitter personality named Jonah Lupton. He interviewed Upstart CEO, who explained how the company uses artificial intelligence to match consumers who need a loan with banks that offer such loans. Interestingly, this is a rare 2020 IPO that has positive net income. Its earnings per share in the latest quarter has turned positive, and the company forecasted positive earnings in the next quarters too. The loan origination process is a labor-intensive process for banks. If you remember, there was a public company called Ellie Mae that used its technology to automate the mortgage application process, and that company was quite successful at charging banks for using their technology. Upstart reminds me of that investment, and it's a platform I'm adding to my watch list for a risky bet on the future of financial services. On the loser side, I noticed Baidu. Shares were down more than 12% today. Just like the US tech giants facing possible new antitrust regulations from Biden administration, Chinese tech giants face their own version of regulatory challenges. The government in China is looking for a broader oversight over the usage of user data and plans to create a joint venture with tech companies to regulate data usage. Investors tend to not like government interventions in their investments, and the stock price drop is quite expected. Folks, today we didn't get a chance to review your starter portfolio stock pick suggestions, but if you have stock suggestions that could make it as a good pick for new investors, let me know in the comment section or send them over by email by replying back to the daily email that lands in your inbox. We can research them in the next few episodes together. As always, if you like to give StockCard a try, research as many stocks as you want and receive stock pick ideas from successful investors, and of course see the beautiful new StockCard platform, Sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. See you tomorrow.